Hello everybody, I'm Cassie, a librarian at Burton Bar, and today we are going to be making storms in a glass. Today we're going to need a clear glass half full of water, shaving cream, half a cup of water, blue dye, and a spoon. Make sure to pour out half a cup of water so that way we can start our dyeing process. I'm going to go ahead and add my blue dye. It is going to need exactly 10 drops. Count them out, go slow. Now that we've added our dye, go ahead and grab a spoon and mix well. You want to make sure the blue is entirely incorporated. Check out that blue. I recommend 2 glasses of water. One we will fill up almost all the way with shaving cream. The other is for you to experiment. How will more water or less water affect the experiment? How about more or less shaving cream? I'm sure you could listen to that all day. But now that we have almost finished filling up our cup, we are ready to begin our experiment. Don't forget, fill up your second cup with as much shaving cream or as little shaving cream as you'd like. My shaving cream looks like sad shaving milk. Don't wait for this next part like I did. Grab a spoon and your dyed rain and gently ladle it over your shaving cream clouds. It's time to make it rain. This experiment works just like clouds in the sky. They can hold on to millions of gallons of water. The layers of shaving cream is our pretend cloud in this experiment. The shaving cream layer can also hold on to water. Eventually, the cloud will get too heavy, and that's how rain falls. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed A Storm in a Glass.